Hi, welcome everyone to today's senseFly Academy session. So name is Andrea. I'm the training manager here at senseFly, and I'll be talking today about the eBee Plus takeoffs, do's and don'ts. So do's are definitely once you are ready to launch the drone and the drone is also ready to be launched, means you have green solid light. You have evaluated the wind's direction. You are grabbing the eBee Plus on the side, not too far apart, nicely towards the body of the eBee Plus. You're pointing yourself into the wind, so the wind has to go in your face. You do the shake, shake, shake procedure, 3 times shaking, so that the green light, so green solid light goes to blue pulsing. And from blue pulsing, it will change to green blinking once the motor is on full power. In order to get again green solid light and actually be ready for takeoff, you have to incline the eBee to an angle of 45 degrees. Once you have those 45 degrees, you launch it with a forward movement. Best is if you take 1 or 2 steps, whatever makes you move forward. It's easier than just keep standing and trying to do everything out of your arms. And you push the drone at a 45-degree angle towards the sky. The force at which you need to push the drone is around as if you would throw like a 1 liter or 1.5 liter water bottle 4 meters away from you onto a target at a 45-degree angle. Here, an example how one should do it. Okay. So this was a very energetic movement. It can be even a bit less. Important are the 45 degrees towards the sky. It says here towards the sky, but we don't mean straight up, like in this example. So this is definitely too steep. Now on this day we had so much wind that the drone would take off no matter what. But actually, if you do throw it at wrong angles or slightly tilted or not at the same time letting go your hands, you're just increasing the risk that the drone doesn't manage to find the right angle of attack to generate enough uplift and fly away. Here is another example of keeping it too flat, so not at 45 degrees, and then sort of pulling it up. Okay. And we see here how the wings wobbled when this went away. So here you risk that the servo might slightly detach and then the drone will be pushed even more with the wind, etc. And somehow that servo manages to detach completely. Then there is also the sometimes one doesn't give enough push. So basically just not moving at all, just letting the drone go. In this case, it made it, but if we wouldn't have had that much wind, the drone would have ended up on the ground for sure. Not letting the hands go at the same time usually introduces a, a turn, like we see here. Where in this case the drone made it, but oftentimes one risks to really stall the drone, then during the turn, and then it will not manage to recover, and then it ends up on the ground. So last one is again the correct version. So towards the sky, 45 degrees angle, like throwing a 1 liter water bottle 4 meters away from you. Good. So thank you for joining senseFly Academy today. I hope to see you on the next session. And yeah, stay with us if your questions haven't been answered yet. Thank you. Have a nice evening, afternoon, or morning. Bye.